Literacy is a global and human right that goes beyond books and transcends borders. Through the Literacy Across Continents project with Leanne Rosenblatt, we made that a reality.
My name is Leanne Rosenblatt, and I am a librarian at the Lamont Riggs Neighborhood Library. And what inspires me is to serve the community here and to provide wonderful resources to promote reading.
Leanne and I went to South Africa with the Library of Congress Center of the Book. We also met with other librarians and educators across the country. There were 60 kids stuffed in a classroom with one book.
I was struck and impressed by the ability and effectiveness of the teachers and the librarians in using limited resources in the most effective manner, and how eager the students were to learn.
The three images that we often see in the media of Africa are fighting, famine, and fleas. And so Leanne said, well, you know what, I think we should do a reading program. I think that we should reach out to schools and let's try to change the image of Africa by reading positive books.
First of all, we had kids who were able to read novels jointly and discuss them with each other through blogging. We then had the ability to have the authors talk with the students.
Leanne rallied the children's librarians who talked to schools and said, look, let's do something a little bit different during Black History Month. Let's focus on Africa.
What is extraordinary is the model that we were able to put into effect. I call it the program model. Intensive preparation of students and teachers prior to the large celebration.
Students were bused into Martin Luther King Library, but the buses just kept pulling up, and they just kept pulling up, and more kids kept coming in and kept coming in and kept coming in.
And we had a turnout of over 900 students. And that after that celebration, to have numerous programs working with the teachers and their classes taking place at the neighborhood libraries. We had in 1 month follow-up of 36 programs in 19 libraries.
So we reached kids of different ages, different nationalities, different races, and they got a chance to learn about Africa. So she's done a book group, she's done the Reading Africa program, she's published an article, she's done a lot of different things to bring that awareness of that great continent.
Because this bird is looking back in order to go forward. And I believe in looking at where we come from and looking at our heritage. It's knowledge. It's the changing view of the world, and we are at the forefront of that.